Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best Jmfchi boys sneakers available on the market. These sneakers are designed with kids' comfort and activity in mind, blending functionality with style to keep up with the energy of active little feet. Right from the start, what stands out about these Jmfchi sneakers is the breathable soft knit mesh upper. This material ensures that your child's feet stay cool and comfortable even during intense play or long walks. The mesh is not only lightweight but also durable and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use. Moving to the sole, these sneakers feature a man-made rubber sole that is designed for anti-skid performance. The traction pattern on the outsole provides excellent grip and torsional rigidity, which is essential for running, jumping, and all kinds of movement. This slip-resistant feature gives parents peace of mind knowing their kids are less likely to slip during playtime. One of the most convenient aspects of these sneakers is the closure system. The combination of hook and loop straps along with elastic laces makes it super easy for children to put on and take off their shoes independently. No more struggling with untied shoelaces or complicated fastenings, which adds to the overall ease of use. Comfort is a major focus for the Jmfchi sneakers. Inside, there is an EVA honeycomb insole that provides cushioning and breathability. The soft lining and cushioning system deliver maximum shock absorption, protecting little feet and ankles from impact while running or playing sports. The thickened toe design adds an extra layer of protection, particularly useful for outdoor activities where kids might encounter rough surfaces or accidental bumps. These sneakers are versatile in style and color options, suitable for casual wear as well as athletic activities. Whether it's running, walking, dancing, or just everyday movement, these shoes offer the flexibility and support kids need. The platform height of 1.25 inches strikes a balance between cushioning and stability, making these sneakers both comfortable and supportive. The overall build quality is impressive given the lightweight design. The outer mesh material coupled with the sturdy sole strikes a great balance between durability and breathability. This means kids can wear these sneakers all day without feeling weighed down or uncomfortable. In terms of sizing, these sneakers come with a helpful size chart, allowing parents to choose the best fit for their child's feet. The combination of adjustable elastic laces and hook and loop closure also provides some flexibility in fit, accommodating growing feet comfortably. To sum it up, the Jmfchi boys sneakers combine breathability, shock absorption, convenience, and safety features all in one package. Their thoughtful design makes them a standout choice for parents looking for quality kids sneakers that can keep pace with an active lifestyle. If you want reliable, stylish, and comfortable shoes for your child, these Jmfchi sneakers are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.